we can't say that the effects of global warming are not hitting us yet, because they are, and it can only get worse because everything is changing exponentially. All of these really bad changes are exponential, and if you're standing on an exponential curve and you look behind at what's happened in the past, it's all nice and flat, nothing much has gone on. So you think, well, there hasn't been that much warming effect, so things might carry on this way and we don't have to worry. But then when you look forward, you've got a steep cliff. And this complacency in the face of exponential change is something that I think the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has been guilty of, because the predictions that they make that really affect policymakers are predictions of sea level rise, and they've been really guilty in that respect in underestimating the rate of sea level rise, and also assuming that it will rise in a linear way. So whatever kind of effects they postulate, and they don't take a proper account of Greenland melt, but they show sea level rising linearly, which means that you really don't have to do that much about sea level rise. You don't have to worry for a while because it's rising linearly. But it's not. It's rising exponentially, as for many other changes. And that means that before very long, we'll be seeing cities inundated, catastrophic flooding events in the coastlines of poor countries like Bangladesh. We'll be seeing sea level rise in itself, regardless of anything else, causing catastrophic change to our planet. So all these changes are going on now, and we can plot them, we can see them happening, and the fact that they're exponential means if we project those forward, we see really serious catastrophic effects in the next few years. Certainly in the next decade or two, the world will be completely different from the way it is now. But it's hard to get people to wake up to that, given that everything that's happened in the past has been fairly gentle. You're standing on an exponential curve and looking backwards instead of looking forwards.